Okay, here we have a 2000 Camry. Now the water bottle needs replacing. It's developed this hole here. It used to have the red coolant, and it's actually eaten away this this water bottle. When I first got it, I noticed this discoloration down here. We can see now it's got the green coolant in it. Probably would have been spec coolant for the car in those days, right? It's got a metal bottom end. See there. Yeah, so it's got this hole here, and we can see it's been affected by the red coolant, especially in this area, and it seems to be creeping along. Excuse me. So yeah, that's the situation now. This has to be replaced. We can see anywhere else where the discoloration is fairly good condition. There's something developing here, even though you know, the red coolant was taken out about 4 years ago. That is still, where it's soaked into the plastic, that is still seeming to destroy the plastic. So I'll go ahead and put the new one on. Okay, well, it's installed. There was no real visible line to be seen to fill up to. This hose connection point just here, it was too small in diameter. The other one is larger, and I had to use some silicone and seat the hose onto that to create a bond or a good seal. This plastic fixing point here was bent in, but it straightened out when I tightened it up. The cap fixing point, it doesn't work. It just comes out every time, so you know that's eventually going to be lost. And the pipe was too short, so it came with this piece of pipe here. So you know, I mean, it's better than nothing. Not having it. I mean, you could use a piece to get yourself a little bit more length and have less stress on the fixing points here, the lock-in points.